Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video I'm gonna be attempting to do my own passion twist for the first time. So I'm just showing you guys how the hair looked when it came. I will be sure to link it down in the description box. I got the 14-inch. In this clip I pre-parted my hair. I made sure to do that because I suck at parting and it literally took me all day. So I did that after I ordered my hair. My hair took 2 days to come because I'm an Amazon Prime member. And be sure to wash your hair before you apply it to your head. Also, I would usually do a water and vinegar rinse, but I don't know why I didn't do it that day, but I just used regular shampoo and conditioner. Also, this pack came with rubber bands and those little colorful jewel thingies, but we don't use rubber bands over here, so I tossed those out. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video, this is my very first time installing any type of twist in my hair or braids or anything like that. I'm terrible at hair, so I just want to show you guys. Be mindful, this is my very first time, but I think I did pretty good for a beginner. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I suggest you use your hair color if this is your first time attempting this, so your hair could blend in more easily and it's not that noticeable. I'll show you guys the back, which might look a little bit messed up. Okay, one more thing. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself since this is my first attempt, but my parts are a little bit bigger in the back and a little bit more spacious. But when you get to the front, be sure to make them a little bit more smaller. But yeah, I know it's a good bit of imperfections. I'm not too good at tucking my hair just yet, but this is my first time, so. Alrighty, you guys, let's finally jump into the tutorial. I left a couple of pieces out for you guys to show you guys. I'm just letting you guys know that you will need a comb and maybe a clip because that would be helpful. And then you would need some type of jam or something with a waxy thick hold that will hold, mold the part together. I'm just taking that section and braiding it down like a third of the way maybe. And I'm going to take 2 pieces. You could either take 1 piece of hair or 2 pieces of hair. 1 piece of hair if you want like thinner twist, and 2 pieces of hair if you want thicker twist, like a more plump, juicier twist. And then I'm going to go in and separate the twist because I want it to have a little bit more volume and fluffiness. And after that, I'm going to wrap it around 2 of my fingers so the crochet needle hook could go easily through that. And I'm just showing you guys my crochet needle. The pack of hair also came with a crochet needle, but I already had one, so now I have 2. I'm going to insert the crochet needle and under the braid and then hook it onto my hook, put it back through, make sure the loop is open. That loop of hair I have, I'm just showing you guys, and we're going to bring the ends of the crochet hair and the real hair, the hair that you braided, and you're going to pull that through the loop. And to tighten it up, you're going to gently pull, don't pull too hard, but gently pull the crochet hair so it could tighten up the roots. And then we're just going to apply some jam so we could blend our hair in more with the crochet hair. And I try my best to blend it in, but I could still use a little bit more practice. And I'm just going to twist that all the way down. And then towards the end, I'm going to finger coil it. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more jam and have like a more uniform finger curl because it was a little bit frizzy towards the ends and I didn't really want that. And that's pretty much it. All right, I'm just going to show you guys again one more time. Place the jam at the root of your hair, comb it, braid it, about a third of the way. Take your piece of hair, however much you desire, one piece or two pieces. For my edge line, I did only go in with one piece of hair because I didn't want it to be too heavy. Not saying this hair is heavy, because it's not, but just for safekeeping of my edges. And I'm just going to give you guys a close-up. We're going to loop the hair around two of our fingers, and so it could be easier to apply to the crochet needle. We're going to hook it onto the crochet needle and pull the crochet needle back through, forming a loop. And then we're going to take all of the hair, the crochet hair and our real hair, and we're going to pull it through the loop. And then we're going to gently tighten it. And for this one, I'm going to give you guys a better visual on how I separated my hair, so my real hair could be included on both sides of the twist. And then I'm going to do my best to blend that in. A third time's a charm, so I'm going to show you guys one more time. Okay, we're finally done, and that's why I say use a hair color close to your actual hair color so your imperfections can blend in a little bit more better. But we're gonna go and dip the hair now, and I'm just showing you guys that I dip my ends. And we're gonna go in with a foam mousse and apply that to all of my twists. The hair came with 7 packs and I had 2 left over. I just want to add on the finishing touches, which is bedazzle a couple of spaces. I'm first going to bedazzle all the imperfections that I could see. So I ordered this off Amazon. Got some little jewels. These. I will be sure to link it down in the description box below. Alrighty, you guys, I'm just going to apply some of these real quick. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and styled it also. I do have to go back and redo the gold strings, but I'm tired of fighting with them right now because they are getting on my nerves. But anyway, this is it. That's all I could do right now. And I did my lashes for the first time. They're not perfect, but the first couple that I did try to do, I tried to like start braiding at the roots with my real hair in the braid, and that did, ooh, that's an imperfection. I gotta cover it up. Boop. I can't even give you guys a time estimate on how long it took me because I have a child to tussle with, and I kept stopping for him, so it basically took me throughout the whole day to finish my hair. But I feel like if I was to sit in a room and just put on the TV or listen to some music or watch YouTube videos, then I would have been done in like 5-6 hours max. The method I did do was easier, but it was kind of difficult for me starting at first. But after I got towards the top, I kind of got a hold of things, so it got better. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel and watching this video. I hope I was able to teach you guys a few tricks or anything for any beginners, because I'm a beginner, so you guys are getting a beginner tutorial from a beginner. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys have any tips or tricks or anything else. And if you decide to do these, tag me on Instagram. Take a picture, tag me on Instagram, because I want to see them too. I will list my Instagram down below, and it's always on my end screen, and it's always in the description box. So I will see you guys in the next one.